Hey, Keenan Flagler, class of 2020. My name is Evan Bayless, and I'm the chair of Legacy Cup for the 2018-2019 school year. The purpose of this video is to walk you through some of the details of Legacy Cup. So what are legacies? As most of you know, top business schools divide their classes up into sections or into groups, and here at UNC, we call those groups legacies. There are 8 of them in Keenan Flagler, and the reason why they have the names that they do is that they're named after individuals who had a great impact on our community and essentially left a legacy here for the institution. Now, in these legacies, there are 35 to 40 first-year students and 35 to 40 second-year students, and you will work together with them throughout the year in fun competition, collaboration to serve the community, but also just to learn from one another and to network with your group. Within these legacies, you'll also have your study groups. So as first years, all of your Mod 1 and Mod 2 classes will be with your individual legacies. And within those legacies, you will have teams of 5 to 6 people that you do all of your group work with in Mods 1 and Mods 2. You will also do your core case competition with these 5 to 6 individuals in January after you guys return from the holiday break. Now, within the legacies, there are some leadership opportunities. So there's one legacy representative and one Legacy Cup captain for each of the legacies for the first years and for the second years. Since the second years are already in place, there will be an opportunity for the first years to apply with a position paper and to give a speech to your respective legacies in the coming weeks to apply for the legacy representative position and the Cup captain position. Now today, since I am the Cup chair, I'm just going to be speaking about the Legacy Cup opportunities, but you will learn more about the Legacy Representative opportunities in the coming weeks. So as we think about why we have Legacy Cup here at UNC, it's really to strengthen and build a community between the first and second years, and it's a tradition that we've built here at Keenan Flagler through various social, service, and sporting events within the community. It's an opportunity for first and second years to really build a strong bond and to work together on projects as well as join in fun competition throughout the year against the other legacies. And I'll tell you, it gets pretty heated. It's a lot of fun, whether it's in trivia or karaoke or some of the sporting events that we have, to practice with your team and to build a strong collaborative group and to go against the other legacies. And it's comprised of 10 different events throughout the year. So just so you all know, the current standings from 2017 to 2018, as we look through the 8 legacies, coming in first place last year was Zeithamel, and second was Rizzo, third was Bierman, fourth was Dearborn, fifth was Fulton, sixth was Evans, seventh was Tillman, and eighth was Levin. So you guys know, it's a clean slate. That's where we ended last year, but starting in a couple of weeks, we'll kick off Legacy Cup with our first event. And it's an aggregate total of the outcomes of all the events throughout the year that end up with these results. So you guys have a clean slate to try to get your team to the top for the 2018-2019 school year. Just to name a few of the events that we have this year, we're going to have Trivia Night, Campus Scavenger Hunt, Fall Service Day, Penny Wars, karaoke, which is by far and away the most fun night of the school year, bowling, kickball, March Madness, Spring Service Day, as well as the Legacy Cup Olympics that kind of wrap up the school year. Just so you guys know, Legacy Cup Trivia will be held on Wednesday, August 22nd, which is in just a couple of weeks, at Pantana Bob's at 9 p.m. So each of the legacies, first and second years, will have a table at Pantana Bob's and we'll compete together in Trivia Night for the first event. And the next event will just be a few days later, which will be the Campus Scavenger Hunt. I look forward to meeting all of you. I hope you guys are excited as I am to learn more about the legacies and to work together throughout the year to see who can end up on top. Talk to y'all soon.